Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be talking about my debt optimizer program. I'm going to be explaining how to use it and exactly what it does. So here I'm on the downloads page. I'm going to go ahead and click download. And it's going to download a zip file. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to right click, go, and I'm going to extract it. Next, I'm going to run the .exe file in there, and it's going to open up my program. Okay, so in the program, we have the ability to add a list of debts, and then we also have a total windfall. So this program is designed for if you receive an inheritance or win the lottery or sell something that was worth a lot of money. Basically, if you get any sort of windfall in your life, some extra cash, and you have a lot of small debts, this program is going to help optimize your monthly income. So basically what that means is it's going to look at a list of your debts and tell you which debts that you should pay off so that you receive the most amount of money every month. This sounds like a somewhat trivial problem, but depending on the amount of debts you have, this can actually get a little bit complicated and a little bit difficult to figure out. This program is going to go through and do this automatically, and it's even going to give you some options. So I'm going to go ahead and click the demo option here because it's going to automatically add a bunch of random debts here. But as you're going through here, what you'll want to do is enter, say, your credit cards. So I can input the name. So maybe you have like a Capital One credit card here, and then you can enter the monthly payment. Maybe it's like $125. And then you can also enter how much it's going to take to pay that off. So maybe you have $1,000 in debt. And then here for your windfall, maybe you won the lottery and you got $5,000. I'm going to put 5,000 here to my list. It's going to show up here. Then all you got to do is press start. Depending on how many debts you have and how much money you have, this might take a little while to load. It's not particularly fast. It's just faster than if you were to do this by hand or figure out how to do this in Excel. So if we give it a minute, it'll spit out our results here. Okay, so after a very long wait, it has figured out the optimal payoff. So here it's going to go ahead and give you a list of all of the debts that we should pay off in this scenario to give us the maximum amount of monthly income. And down at the bottom, it's going to tell us exactly how much money we saved each month. In this case, it's $909. And it's also going to tell us the total cost of paying off all these loans, which in this case is $4,871. So if you don't like these results, or for whatever reason you'd like to make some other sort of payoff, you can click next option, and that will bring up the next best option you have for paying things off. In this case, you would only save $899 a month, and you would only be spending $4,700 of your windfall here. And these are sorted, so you can keep hitting next as many times as you'd like, and there will be many different options. Every different combination you can possibly think of will be in here. So yeah, that's the program. I hope that somebody finds this useful, but if not, that's okay. It didn't take that long to build. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.